Hey, Bo at House Hot Rods again. I want to show you another one of our real quick projects. So if you guys have any collision needs on your old school hot rods, you get a fender bender, an accident, we handle those things too. We also work well with all those classic car insurance companies, Haggerty, Grundy, all those places. We work great with them. So this is a 55 Crown Victoria Ford that hopefully Jonathan will post some before photos of in the comments of the video or along with the video. This gentleman got in an accident, a pretty bad one, up here on the passenger front end of the car. If you get a little closer and look at the car, you can see it's got a lot of custom work. If you look up a picture of a 55 Ford Crown Victoria, the front end doesn't look anything like this. So a couple of things to point out is the fenders are actually molded to the cowl and to the rocker panel, so the fender is kind of one part with the car now. The grille has been kind of changed around and molded into the front end of the car, so from the fender to the cowl, all the way across the front of the grille, all of this is one piece. So those things were damaged, so we had to go back through and cut apart a bunch of old bad body work, go through and fix what we had going on, get new pieces, which were old pieces, make them new, get them fit to the car, re-bond them in, re-body work them in, and then of course re-customize the bumper and the grille to get this thing looking back like it is. So of course on top of that, you can see it's painted kind of a crazy pink color. We had to go through and hand match the pink and blend the panels out so they would all look the same, so the paint would look just as good as it did when it came to us before the accident, and get it all painted and re-cleared and buffed out to a shine. So again, if you got one of those classic cars or any kind of old school ride that's needing some work, been in a collision, been in some kind of accident, or just looking to get some body work and paint jobs taken care of, come see us, all right? We'll get you taken care of here at House of Hot Rods.